Once I copy and paste, should I pause the original campaign? Okay, Andrew. So I think what you're asking is you trying to create multiple campaigns from one campaign and then maybe trying different bidding strategies or different targets, CPA or ROAS. No, I wouldn't pause the original campaigns if it is running. Don't touch it. If it is running fine, do the experiments in the new one. So let's say you had a target CPA campaign running and you had bid $10 to get a lead and you're running fine, but now you want to test whether you can get more leads or cheaper leads at $8. Then you copy that campaign, paste it. It's very quick and easy to do it in editor. In fact, it is lightning fast, and I would highly recommend that you use Google Ads editor for this. And then make the new campaign as 8 tCPA and run both and see which one is performing better.